Hi guys, this is my explanation video for your argumentative paragraph, or sometimes I call this the mini essay. In this essay, you'll be examining the idea of privacy rights from primarily the context of mass surveillance, but also you could look at it from the perspective of the privacy rights you have within a school. For this, again, written response, again, I am giving you the organizer, this one, and I would like you to use this organizer. I like to say it is mandatory for many reasons. When you are again writing this response, I want it to be structured and orderly. We are no longer again just opening up a blank Google document and seeing where our fingers take us. I want a structured response. And when you are done, and if you've written your good copy that comes after the organizer, I want you to remember this. I have a word cap, again, a word maximum, and it's 800 words. A lot of people get confused by that because often you see, again, a minimum word count in some of your other for you courses, and it's around 1,000 words or 1,500 or 2,000 words. I'm taking the opposite perspective, and I take a more business law-like perspective to my written assignments. And I'm expressing to you there is a value in conciseness. Again, if you explain something in 1,000 words when you could have explained it in 200 words, that's not a good thing. Some writers are overly wordy, overly verbose, and can use lots of flowery language. But I want to pretend you're writing this response to a judge, not your English teacher. So remember, different audiences require different writing techniques. And in this response, you're going to be analyzing a statement, and you are going to think one way or the other. You're going to be pro the statement or against the statement. You have to agree with the writer or disagree with them, not down the middle. And that statement is the following. When it comes to the restriction of privacy rights, sometimes the ends justify the means. These laws and regulations are necessary to have a safe and secure society. So you either agree with that statement or disagree with that statement. And the next part says, based on your research, so either what you know already or the kind of readings and articles and videos I've made you watch and presentations I've made you watch. Sorry, continuing. So again, it says, based on the research, lessons, and other materials, sort your knowledge and facts into the appropriate columns. So you have one rule I put in asterisks. The evidence should be factual and verifiable in nature. I added this because some people like to add hypothetical examples, and a hypothetical is hypothetical. Again, you have to have a proven event or fact to be put into one of these two columns. So based on everything you've learned so far, I want you to, again, all the things you could say that would be used to agree with this person, all the evidence, I would like you to put into this column. Again, make your own copy of this. And then when you're all done, think from the other perspective. If you were going to disagree with this person, again, put all the reasons you could think of and proof and evidence you could think of that would be used to contradict this person. And I've also, again, especially for you, the online group, I want to make sure, again, you have a good foundation to kind of take this information and then turn it into a written response. So I want you to kind of come up with your own ideas first in this T-chart. And then in Google Classroom, you'll see a post or a link to a Padlet, this one right here. And you're going to kind of add your own opinions to that Padlet. So you'll be able to see what you've come up with and your classmates. So maybe one of your classmates made a fabulous point and you could steal it and bring it into your own essay. You'll have to put it into your own words, but you can do that. So just make sure again, everything I've put on Classroom, you watch it, you read it, you critically think about it. And then fill out this T-chart and the corresponding Padlet where you share it with the class. I think it's very, very important. Okay, I have a separate video talking about the rest of this organizer, so please watch that after you've completed the T-chart Padlet activity. If you have any questions about this written assignment, this essay in general, Google Classroom, email, or Google Meet. Okay, that's it, guys. Happy writing.